Everyone, my name is Lauren Yonner Bradshaw, and I'm going to talk to you about a great tool that I use for engagement called Artifact Basket. So, an artifact basket can be anything. It can be a box. It can actually be a basket. If you have an old buggy somehow, you can use that. But what you want to do is gather a random assortment of objects that students are challenged to connect the lesson and topic for the day to. And when I mean random, I mean random. It can be things that you found in your car when you cleaned it out. Um, the more diverse these objects are, the more fun this will be. And I also encourage you to change them out as the year proceeds, because students will never know what's in the basket. So for instance, maybe you may have a screwdriver, a plant of some sort, a ruler, a flashlight. And I say, okay, well, it's time for artifact basket. Students go and grab an item, or maybe I choose an item for them, and they have to connect it to whatever it is we're talking about today. So maybe they have the topic of Indian independence. So they pull out a screwdriver and they say, okay, well, this is a tool. One of the tools that Gandhi used was to protest and do fasts, to share his discontent with the um, British government. Plants, you could talk about how there was massive famine because of the crops that the British forced Indians to grow. There's a ruler, you could say, well, um, you know, Gandhi took measurements of these famines and reported on them, or and was very, and calculated how many people had died. You might say that he put a light, using a light, shined a light on the issues that other people had been ignoring. All of these different metaphors that you can come up with, or connections, will help engage students, connect the topics that we're studying to their everyday lives. So I hope that you get a chance to try Artifact Basket. Keep calm and love social studies, or teach social studies. I'll see you guys next time.